This is why people don't succeed, or a big reason why people don't succeed is goals. People don't set goals for themselves. That's a problem, okay? That's possibly why you're not where you want to be, okay? That is possible. All the successful people I know, and myself included, is, they set goals for themselves, and I set goals for myself, okay? Because that goals are your roadmap. Where am I going? Okay, so in the drummer success field, okay, like I've said in other videos, do you want to do weddings? Do you want to do tours? Do you want to do festivals? Do you want to, play Madison Square Garden? I mean, what's his name? Nate Smith, the drummer, didn't he just play Madison Square Garden? And he's wanted to do that like his whole life, right? Well, that was recent, 2019, and he was so excited, and I was excited for him. Okay, so right there, goals. Whatever you want to do, set some goals, and they could be so outrageously bodacious, and that's okay. You can do that. Okay, all right. I'm an optimist. I'm very positive, so I would say set some seriously high goal standards. Why not? What's stopping you other than people talking about bullshit like, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that? Well, if you do it, that's just them being jealous, and that's they're just haters. They're hateration, right? And we're successful people don't have time for that shit. So fuck that. Seriously, don't listen to those idiots. Okay, they suck, and they'll never achieve the type of success as a drummer and a musician that you want to achieve. Actually, they'll never succeed in anything, really. Okay? Because they make up excuses, and they want you to do the same thing because they're miserable. So right here, goals, all right? They could be, I don't know how to spell bodacious, but I'm going to give it a shot. Well, that's the best I could do because I don't have a fucking phone near me. So, but right there, goals. They can be as bodacious as you want. Someone leave a comment and tell me how to spell bodacious. I would love it. It's funny how when I was growing up in school, people were great at spelling, but all of a sudden we got phones and we became stupider than fuck. So. I like phones. They're great for, iPhones are great for, or smartphones in general. They're great for certain things. Business being one of them. So whatever it is, however you got to get to these goals, just do it. If you got to make 5,000 videos, well, get to it. If you got to, take drum lessons and learn different styles to do a certain gig, then do it. Just do it. And I'm gonna release my just do it anyway video anyway, so you're gonna hear that. Okay, so there it is. Set some goals for yourself. See what happens. I bet you'll be stunned with some of the opportunities that come your way. So there it is. Set some goals for yourself and be successful. Be a happy drummer, and don't take no for an answer. Just don't do it, okay? Because if I can do it, and I'm a retard, I gotta tell you. All right, without certain things, I'm a retard, right? But seriously, set some goals, all right? Don't listen to dickheads that are telling you can't do this or that or what you want to do, okay? As a matter of fact, if they say that, do it anyway. See what happens. And they're going to be stunned. Because let me tell you something. Your mom will tell you that, your dad will tell you that, your friends will tell you that. I mean, you name it, and you are who you hang out with or you spend your time with. Your wife is an exception, obviously, because you're having sex with the person. So, great problem. Okay. So set some goals. Let me know how it turns out. Talk to you soon.